Jolean's aunt. Fancy Nancy, son of a bitch. Well, we're here for my episode of Lerlean's Lessons. Oh, yeah. Well, as you know, me and your Uncle Vinnie, we raise turkeys every year for Thanksgiving. And he cuts the heads off, and I stick my hand up the old turkey poop shooter and rip out the guts. And then we give them all away, so everybody has a turkey for Thanksgiving. Well, last October, I was on the riding lawnmower, and I had my Pabst Blue Ribbon and Scotch cocktails, Scotch whiskey. Same thing, the fancy Nancy son of a bitch. Well, I jumped on that ride lawnmower and I was whipping around having a good time. And all of a sudden, next thing I knew, the turkeys were in front of me. Well, they got the heads chopped off early that last year. Oh, fancy Nancy, son of a bitch. And I guess the lesson in all of this is, if you're raising turkeys, I guess don't have a riding lawnmower, especially when you got a little spitfire like me, who likes her little cocktails and likes to drive around the yard. Okay, this is Aunt Lerlean for Lerlean's Lessons saying, fancy Nancy, son of a bitch, and see you later. Ooh, I feel like dancing. You hear the beat? Ooh, I like that.